Factor 3 of 171. So 171, it can be written as 3 times 57. 3 times 57 means 171. Like as 57, it can be written as 3 times 19. 3 times 19 means 57. So now we select the prime numbers among these numbers. So prime numbers here is 3, 3 and 19. So we can write 171 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 3 times 3 and times 19. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.